Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a donation link in your PayPal account. Now the first thing I want you to do is come to this URL to actually make sure that you are eligible. And if you can get to this page, you can go ahead and create a donate button and accept donations on your live website. So once you're here, you can click on customize a button to get started. And then you just start customizing your button. You can choose your button size, country, region, language. You can even use your own style as well. And once you're done customizing, okay, you basically are going to go to the next step, which is setting up your donation page. So you choose your organization name, as you can see displayed here. You can add an image. If you want to display a logo, you can do that as well. If you want to add an inspiring message, this is optional. And then you can click here on continue. And after this, you're going to be just customizing your donation details. For example, the currency, you can set 3 different amounts plus any other amount as well. So they can easily go ahead and pick how much to give you. And then you just, set up your payment page. This is basically the last page the donor will be seeing before completing the transaction. And in this, last step, you can choose to collect donor mailing addresses, accept notes from donors, and whether to send visitors back to your site if they cancel or complete a donation. So you choose everything right here. And that's it. It's really that easy. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.